आउट आउट आउट। हारिस रऊफ ने पावर प्ले की आखिरी गेंद पर विकेट हासिल कर ली। विकेट चाहिए थी इनको। तेज गेंद किया 147.5 की स्पीड से।
तेज बॉल था और ड्राइविंग लेंथ थी। उन्होंने अपना फुल कोशिश की, लेकिन थोड़ा सा आउटवर्ड मूवमेंट भी था और इतना किनारा लगा जितना काफी होना चाहिए। यासिर खान आउट होके वापस और पहली कामयाबी लाहौर कलंदर्स को।
That's gone straight up the chimney. Billings wants it. Billings backtracks. Billings takes it. Oh, this one's alive, ladies and gents. If you want to defend a low total, then call on this bowling lineup.
That was a big hook. I think it was a slower one once again. Toe end of the bat. No control at all, and Billings comfortable, easy, no problem at all. He's a wicket taker. Is right now, I feel, for Quetta.
Gone! Furniture removed. Dismantled, dislodged. Haris Rauf is the man again.
Was this one a pace-off delivery? It was. That little off break threw the shot way too early. Crashes into the top of middle and leg. This was quick. That was slow. 126. That wicket ball, a 122, I think it might have even been. Brilliant variations from Haris Rauf. And possibly the end of proceedings for the Quetta Gladiators.